Hello traders, this is Joanne with Succeed in Forex. Welcome to our Forex news broadcast for Tuesday, April the 22nd, 2008. The headlines out of Switzerland today read, Traders await U.S. housing data today. Dollars gain some ground. The euro dollar traded in a tight range overnight before breaking down to 158.34 in this morning's session. Investors were highly focused on 39 S&P 500 companies that released their reports today. With crude oil at $117 a barrel and gold spot at $9.16 an ounce, the greenback is struggling to gain support. Reports from Japan indicate that investors continue selling the dollar and buying the Japanese yen. U.S. existing home sales and the house price index were released today. The market was hoping to see some stability in those numbers. The Bank of England announced a robust mortgage rescue plan under which the central bank will swap commercial bank securities for UK Treasury bills in hopes of easing lending fears in the money market. Whether the plan will be a success remains to be seen. The pound dollar continued its downtrend, trading down to 197.45 in this morning's session. The Bank of Canada was widely expected to cut rates. The market was showing a high probability of a 50 basis point cut to 3%, which they did. Despite strong fundamental data out of Canada in the last 6 months, inflation has dropped to 1.4% in March from 2.5% in November. The dollar was slightly stronger in the Asian session as traders retreated from yesterday's strong rally. The dollar yen fell to a session low of 102.80 as the Nikkei failed to follow the U.S. and fell. Crude prices firmed around $117 a barrel as OPEC and trouble in Nigeria kept the commodity under pressure. The euro dollar saw a sharp sell-off just before the European open. While the exact reasons are somewhat unclear, there is growing speculation that the move by Germany BDB banking associations to take control of property lender Dusseldorf scared the market. The pound continued to slide as disappointment around the BOE mortgage rescue plan, which failed to meet the market's expectation, grows. Under the plan, the BOE will swap UK government bonds for select commercial mortgage securities. The idea, similar to the Fed's, is aimed at easing liquidity issues and lifting slumping confidence. While it is too early to gauge success or failure, creating higher barriers and additional cost should be a means by which to filter out those that don't have true funding issues, which will be a positive. However, traders are still bearish on the pound as broad deterioration in fundamentals outside of the housing sector and spillover into the consumer spending will pressure growth. As expected, the Bank of Canada cut rates by 50 basis points to 3%. In line with market expectation. The market priced in a 48 basis points of easing, and comments from the central banks have led us to believe that they are looking to follow the Fed's aggressive easing cycle downwards. The loonie is being pulled by two forces: the higher commodity prices and exposure to the U.S., and slowdown in domestic growth. Both these forces should keep the dollar loonie at the 1 to 103.30 range in near term. That concludes our news for the day. We hope you're finding it helpful in your trading. Before we sign off, we would like to invite you to visit our website at www.succeedinforex.com. There you'll find information about our Traders Training Center, where our motto is Traders Helping Traders Succeed in Forex. And also you'll find a link to our Yahoo Forex forum, also called Succeed in Forex. We hope you'll visit us there soon. Thank you for viewing. We hope you'll join us again. So until then, happy pipping to you.